Hi all, you're watching the tutorial for the Jawani song. Let's start by kicking our right foot and clicking our left hand and then reverse it. Let's go right, left, right again, right side kick and a left side kick. We want to do this 4 times. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Next, we're going to walk, step touch, step sit, step sit, step sit on both sides and take your hands, both hands in the opposite direction. You can click your fingers if you want. Now you're going to sit and up and 2 claps with the hand. Sit and up, 2 claps with the hand. Take that arm in a circle and clap twice. Next, let's twist side to side. We're going to start with cross and open. Cross your arms, open your arms, fingers pointing. Now take 2 step touches each side and make wave arms. Now let's pretend to hold something above our head and pivot all the way around 8 counts. 1 foot's on the ground, the other one's making the circle. Now let's go ahead and jump cross. Right foot goes forward, then turn around. Left foot goes forward, turn around. Your arms are going to be spread out as you cross, and then the right arm points. Spread, left arm points. Good job. You want to do it 3 times. One more time. Cross, turn, cross, turn, cross, turn. In the end, we want to take football feet and turn forward. Good job. Now we're going to sit, go up 4 counts, then pump our left heel 4 counts with the left arm making a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now jump forward with the right foot and then shake your shoulder twice. Repeat this 2 times. One more time. Shake your shoulders. Good job. Now we're going to kick our right foot and hop it 4 times. So kick, hop. Go kick, hop, forward 4 and point your fingers as you go. Then run back, a soft jog, pointing your fingers in the back. 4 counts each. Now walk forward and jog backwards again. 4 counts each. One more time. 4 count circle. Jump, shake, shake. Jump forward, shake, shake. Point 2, 3, 4. Run 2, 3, 4. Walk 2, 3, 4. Run 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the chorus step. Make 3 circles with your arms and hang it right. 3 times with your arms, hang it right. We're gonna pretend to kick the ground behind us 3 times and hang it right. Circles and kick 3 times and hang it right. Good job. Followed by karate chops with elbows. Nice. Now next step, we're going to make an arm circle to the right and then to the left. 2 circles each side. And now we're going to dig to the side, both hands, walk 2 times on each side. One more time, arm circle. Bend your knees as you make the circles and you dig and walk right and left. One more time, arm circle, bending the knees, arm circle, knee bend, dig to the right and dig to the left. Now let's dance.
We're young and we're crazy, amazing. Turn up the lights and the sound, get loud, shout it out, 'cause we're young and we're crazy. So come on everybody say, gilly gilly a car, it's Jawani.